Hey everybody, very sad news that Raiders star wide receiver Henry Ruggs III was arrested and charged with DUI in a very bad car accident that occurred at just after 3 o'clock this morning in Las Vegas. He was driving his Corvette, ran into a Toyota RAV4 SUV. That car apparently caught on fire. One person in that car is dead. So because Ruggs was found to be impaired, the thought is, okay, immediately that he did something wrong. The bottom line is we really don't know a lot of anything. And the good news is that for anybody getting in a situation like this, they need great lawyers. And that's what Henry Ruggs has automatically in the Raiders. The Raiders are top-notch at dealing with situations like this. And while it may appear to be darkest before the dawn, there's a lot we don't know. For example, we don't know anything about what the driver of the SUV did. We don't know if the driver was impaired. We don't know exactly who caused the accident. There is a police report, but the police report doesn't necessarily tell the whole truth. So if there is even a slightest bit of window to daylight, the Raiders legal team will find it. I guarantee you. I'll give you one example of what I'm talking about. Remember Gary and Conley and how it looked like he was going to be charged with rape? Just before the NFL draft, just when the Raiders were going to select him. Remember that? And then as quickly as it happened, it went away. They found video evidence that exonerated Conley. And he went on to have a very successful NFL career with the Raiders and then with the Texans, and is still in the league. So that's but one of many examples of Raiders who've gotten into scrapes that were seemingly impossible to get out of, and yet managed to come out of it with a comfortable existence and a good life. So don't think that this is it for Henry, that he's off to the hoosegow forever. Just let it work itself out. Let this process work itself out. I will only say this, that there's one thing in common between what happened to John Gruden and what happened to Henry Ruggs, and I've said it before and I'll say it again, but I think it really applies in this instance. Friends don't let friends drive drunk, okay? Friends do not let friends drive drunk. You don't let friends send racist emails or sexist emails, and you don't let them get behind the wheel. And I've said it before, and I'll say it again, the NFL needs to have more than a policy regarding conduct, but they need to have avenues, options for a player if a player finds himself or an employee finds himself or herself in a situation where they've had too much to drink and they need transportation and they have their own car, but they know they shouldn't drive it. There should be a limousine to call immediately that's specifically for NFL players. There should be special places to go. I've said that before. I continue to say that. But I will tell you, Henry Ruggs is in good hands with the Raiders. He may be chilling a night in jail, or he may bail out and go home. This is apparently his first offense. He's young, okay? Okay? But do not give up on the Raiders legal team. Again, I stress this. If there's any place for him to be in this situation, it's with the Raiders. No question about it. All right, subscribe to Zit, and I pray for his quick resolution from this, and I pray for the families of the loss of the loved one in the crash. Subscribe to Zenny62 and bookmark oaklandnewsnow.com. I'll see you.